Here I have LARK FreeMe X2, and let me show you how to insert here micro SD card. So at first let's find the slot for your SD card. The slot is located at the right edge of the device, right here. And as you can see here, you can insert the SD card by inputting that card in that position. Here I have my memory card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position and let's press it to the end. Excellent. Now you can switch on the device by holding a power key right here. So let's press power key. Let me unlock the device. Let's tap apps icon. Find and select the settings. Scroll down and under device let's choose storage. And as you can see, the device is reading our SD card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.